Holy shit. All right, guys, so all of the makeup in this box is by NYX Professional Makeup. We also have some sponsors on here. We have Target, Vichy, Laboratories, I learned how to say that in the meantime, and Epidemic Sound. So this is the little guy that we got in here. Woo! Guys, I can't even believe I made it into the top 15. Like, what? Oh, also guys, so this says, reach for the stars. Push your imagination beyond the limit. So apparently these have a lot to do with what your challenge is going to be about. I learned that from the last time. Everyone was talking about that and I was like, what? So I wonder if it's gonna be something like space related. Ooh! All right, so we're back to the colored little guys here, which I'm so excited about. I loved opening these last time. Oh, what is this? Oh my God, is this a little makeup case? How do I get it out of here? Okay, here we go. Oh my God, stuck to me. Guys, look at how cute this is. Oh my God, I probably just had like 5 double chins trying to hold that up. Look at this. This is so cool, I'm gonna cry. Look at this. My very own makeup case. How cool. Oh my God, I've always wanted one of these. Oh my God, this is so awesome. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna put that, keep that on there. Oh. And I'm just going to kind of go through each box the way that I did last time. So I'll start with the black bag first. So this is the tools. It is this guy here. Ooh, we have an eyelash curler in here. There we go. And we have a brush pad. These are so good for cleaning your brushes, it's not even funny. All right, and we have a ton of brushes in here. Ooh, look at this sculpting one. But check these out. Can't really see them on there, but I'll definitely have to do like an in-depth video on these. Next up, we got this purple bag. This is specialty. Ooh-hoo. Oh my God. Oh, look at this glitter. It's like the first thing I saw in there. Let's see what's in here. So I'm seeing a lot of like foiled eyeshadows and glitters, so I am thinking it's the space related theme, because there's also, this is a glitter primer. Woo! And so we have all these glitters here, and we have a ton of foiled eyeshadows here. Let me see if I can hold all these up, because you guys have to see these. Probably look like an idiot right now. Then we got some Vivid Brights. So these look like the cream version of the gel pencils, or not gel pencils, liquid pencils that we used last challenge. So we got all of these guys in these colors. And we also have, this looks like a glitter palette. So let me see. Ooh, ho ho, ew, why did I say it like that? Look at this though. I always get so excited about glitters though. I don't know what it is about them. It's just, everyone gets excited about glitters. Why am I even explaining that? It looks like there's also a bag in here. So it's like a snakeskin bag. Has a little Velcro guy here. Oh wait, what is this? Is this a brush? Oh guys, it's a brush. It's a little brush holder. I feel so professional now. This is like all of like the like real gear. Next up we have the pink bag here. Ooh, we've got a lot more lip creams in here. Holy crap. Ah. Ooh, what is this? Suede? X's Tears? I love that. And it's black. This is cool. Look at that black. I definitely think this is space related. I'm like getting all the vibes right now. But I love this. They have these in the coolest shades. This is like a deep plum. We have a nude shade here. This is Brunch Me. And a ton of neutrals. We have some more Lip Lingerie. So this is So this is the Lip Lingerie Push Up. So this is long lasting lipstick. Hashtag this is everything. Okay, so this is a lip oil. So I'm assuming this is kind of like a moisturizing base. We also have a ton of creams here. Okay, so we also have some soft matte metallic lips. Wait, are these all soft matte? matte metallic lips. Oh my God. Okay, so it looks like I have a ton of the soft matte metallic lip creams along with butter gloss. And also we have the liquid suede. So this is lip cream. This is cool, look at this color. This is definitely a Christmas holiday color. Ooh, and we have this blue. This is called Ace. Let me just show this to you guys real quick. I know this is probably gonna be so long. And when I start stuttering, you know it's gonna be long. Look at this. Oh my God, this is like the perfect blue. All right, then we have duochromatic shimmer lip gloss. Okay, this is definitely space related. I've said it a million times. That's what it is, I can tell. Moving on, because I could be on lip products all day long. Like lip glosses, liquid lips are my absolute favorite. These lip butters, I can't wait to try. I've never tried them before. All right, next up we got eyes. Look at this. Holy crap. Holy eyeshadow palettes, Batman. This is insane. All right, guys, so check out these eyeshadow palettes. So these are called the Ultimate palettes. So this guy is Ultimate Brights. This guy is Ultimate Phoenix. Then we have Ultimate Ash. Then we have Mystic Petals. So this guy is Midnight Orchid. And then we also have Dark Mystic. Then we have a ton of holographic halo cream eyeliners. Oh my God, these are the coolest colors too. So we have, looks like a mint green. There's like a really light purple here, silver. This is kind of like a coppery shade. Ooh, and we got eye glosses. These are called Glazed and Confused. So this is that really like wet eye look. I love that look. I haven't tried it out yet, but this is like, then we have some tinted brow mascaras. Oh, these guys. Waterproof eyeshadow primer. That's really interesting. So we have some more Vivid Brights liners. I didn't get these colors last time. Check these colors out. These worked so well in my last look, guys. I can't even tell you. I was in that makeup for like 12 hours and they were in mint condition. Oh my God, and I got a gold one too. Yes, this is in Zodiac Queen. Then we've got some jumbo eye pencils. And these are colored mascaras. So we have a purple, blue, and just a regular black. Next up, we got face. Ooh, are these the Total Coverage drops? Okay, so this is the Total Control Drop Foundation. I've been dying to try this one. This is what it looks like, by the way. I don't know if I showed you guys. I'm like too excited about it. So for these, you can add these to any foundation and make it full coverage. So this is just great. I mean, I'm sure that you could use this on its own as well. Yeah, so you get to control how much coverage you have. So light is 2 drops, 3 drops for medium coverage, and 4+ for full coverage. Okay, so I can't wait to try these. I'll have to do a story all about these because these are so interesting to me. I could talk about it all day, but you guys don't have all day, so I'm just gonna move on to the next box. All right, last but not least, we have another face. Boom. Okay, so it looks like we got a ton of highlighters here. We have a dewy finish spray. We got a lot more Sweet Cheek matte blushes. Yes, I can talk. All right, so these are Love You So Mushy. Oh, are these the, you know what, I'm actually gonna feel it. I'm wondering if these are like the gel liners that are like, almost like a little like puff. Okay, no, I lied, they're not. All right, and this next one, I feel like this middle color is gonna be my everyday shade. I love really like pinky highlighters. I also like a really frosted white. So this is gonna be me right here. This is the Arcade Glam, very fitting. So we got Holographic Halo finishing powders. We have an Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. We have a Shine Killer Primer. And we also have 2 color corrector palettes that are also mixed with contour. So these are Conceal Correct Contour. So we have like a light and dark one. Ooh, and liquid highlighters. So these are Away We Glow. Oh my God, guys, this is insane. I can't believe how much makeup I have here. And I can't even believe that I made it to the top 15. This is beyond insane to me. I still can't even fathom it. It hasn't hit me yet. I'm sure right when we hear about the other challenge, I'll be right into like, I almost said study mode, but like focused mode, you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I was so scared that no one was gonna vote for me. I wonder if everyone has that fear. I've had nightmares about it where I'm like, oh, 3 people are gonna vote for me, like no one cares, you know? But you guys really pulled through. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so bad at promoting myself or even talking about myself in general. So this is beyond crazy to me that I'm even in this competition and that you guys are all here. I don't know why I even doubted you. I mean, you guys are amazing. It's not really doubting you. I feel like it's more has to do with me just not believing in myself. I think is what it is. But thank you guys for being here. I said that like a million times. I hope that you really truly understand how much you all mean to me. And thank you again to NYX Professional Makeup. This is such an amazing opportunity, and thank you for seeing something in me. And yeah, thank you to the sponsors. Thank you guys so much. This is such an honor. I can't wait to create the next look, and I can't wait to tell you guys what the next challenge is. I find out on Monday, which I feel like I should never say dates on video because I don't know when this video is going to be going up. So this video is being filmed the same day that I got the package in. So today is Saturday, and yeah, we just found out that we made it into the top 15 yesterday. So this whole thing's happening really quickly. I like to get my videos up quick so that you guys can kind of get excited with me. And yeah, I can't wait for you guys to hear about the challenge. I think that it is space related, so I'm excited to hear what it exactly is. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I've been on my knees for like a half hour. That's what she said. Also, do you guys like this blue light? Look how like more blue it makes my hair look. Looking like a space mermaid. Or do I just look stupid? What is it? Tell me. Whoa, did you see how easy that was to close up? Watch. Oh, I was trying to do something cool there and be like, as my belly's like hanging out.